Hi everyone, this is Alan Fine. I am here at a very special party for Carnival. We're celebrating the Mardi Gras, which is coming soon, and I'm here with Mike Julius, Vice President Field Sales North America, and this is Insider Travel Report. Thank you for talking about this ship, the Mardi Gras, coming out August.
The ship is making her debut.
2020.
Correct. August 31st of 2020. She'll be making her debut in Europe. Very short season there, but then she'll be making her way right here to New York City, which is where we are now. We're here to celebrate the Mardi Gras and to explore a little bit more about some of her exciting culinary venues and talk about some of their exciting parts of the Mardi Gras, which is going to be awesome. All of our travel partners are going to love it.
Well, I can't wait. I mean, 5,200 passengers. What else do you want to tell us about it?
Well, the Mardi Gras is a brand new style of ship for us, and so it will be the Mardi Gras class. And I think one of the things that we saw that made so much a big buzz was the Bolt, and that will be the very first roller coaster at sea. And she is going to be awesome. She's going to be great for all ages, families, seniors, even you, Ellen. You're going to love it.
Oh, okay, thank you. No, I do love those. And then what else is new about this ship?
So we're going to have a lot of the old, not old, but a lot of the iconic eating establishments that we have.
Works.
Ships. Yeah, Guy Fieri's Burgers, we have the Pig and Anchor, Blue Iguana. All of those are going to be on board the Mardi Gras, but we're also introducing some new eating venues, including the Chicken Shack, or the Big Chicken, which is Shaquille O'Neal's restaurant. And this is really great because Shaquille told us about all of his favorite chicken dishes that his mother used to make him, and all of those are going to be available on board the Mardi Gras, complimentary of course, and so we're very excited about Big Chicken. We're also going to have, in one of our 6 zones in the French Quarter, we're going to have a bistro by a very famous chef called Emeril Lagasse, in case you've heard Emeril. He will be having a bistro on board the Mardi Gras as well. And this is why we have a lot of our New York City area travel advisors that have joined us. We're very excited for them to get a sneak peek at what the Mardi Gras will have to offer. They're going to love her, and you'll love her as well.
Speaking of which, let's talk about WATA parties. I know there's one coming up here in New York and all over the country.
That's right. WATA, which stands for Why Use a Travel Advisor, is a year-long celebration that we have going on right now, where we started with a word cloud. We've asked all of everyone to go to whataword.com, tell us the one word that describes their favorite travel advisor, and we watch that. It's crowdsourced. We watch this crowd grow. We have over almost 5,000 submissions so far. Plus, we're doing 4 WATA parties. We've done one in Orlando. We're doing one here in Jersey City in September, another one in Toronto, and one in the LA area in Pasadena, and that'll be in October. Okay. Now, this is also as I said, a year-long celebration where we have a contest where we're asking our consumers to nominate their favorite travel advisor, and from there, the travel advisor and the consumer will win a free Carnival cruise on board the Mardi Gras, along with $1,000 spending money. So far, we've had over 2,500 submissions of consumers nominating their travel advisor, which we think is a great way to celebrate that relationship between the travel advisors and their consumers.
Okay. So we are going out to 90,000 plus travel agents, advisors, and you have basically said everything they need to know, but is there anything else in the corner there that that you forgot?
Well, I just want to say that, Carnival Cruise Line has something for everybody. We are the family cruise line. We were voted the family cruise line for a number of years in a row. Carnival loves travel agents. We have our very famous our Travel Agent Rocks program that is still going on. We're committed to the travel industry, and we just want to say thank you for all of your support that you've given us at Carnival Cruise Lines over the years and through the noise. And we look forward to seeing you at the WATA parties, participating in all the events, as well as on board the Mardi Gras.
You heard the noise. The party is off the hook. All right. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you.
This is Alan Fine for Insider Travel Report.